Sight, sound, smell, taste, touch. That's 5 senses. But is that it, or is there a secret 6th sense? No, I don't mean seeing ghosts. I mean real sciencey superpowers like balance, temperature, or even knowing when your sibling is about to steal the last cookie.
Oh, I don't think he really needs that last cookie.
So when we talk about our senses, we usually talk about these 5. We had sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. These 5 get all the attention, but what if I said there were some lesser known senses? Let's welcome our unsung heroes. Are you feeling hot or cold? Thermoception is the sense that lets us know what the temperature is of something. The vestibular sense tells us what's up and down, and it all happens in our ear. Without it, we wouldn't be able to balance, and we'd be wobbling around like penguins on roller skates. Proprioception is body awareness, basically knowing where all your body parts are without seeing them. And you can do an experiment anytime. If you have your eyes closed, you can touch your elbow or your nose or your knees without seeing them. It works with any of your body parts. I sense someone named Noah is about to subscribe. No? Emma? Liam? Olivia? Anyone? Achoo! I guess no new senses, just a sneeze. I have to try again. Some people say they just know when something's wrong. Is it ESP, mind reading, or just your brain picking up microscopic clues from all your senses, like tiny changes in people's tone or body language, or a reading cat? It's not magic. It's just your brain putting all your senses to good use. And now the game no one knows but everyone loves, Animal Super Senses. It's the game show gone wild, where we ask 3 questions and see if you know the answer. Question 1. What unusual sense does a shark have? Do they have the ability to sense tiny electric fields from other animals? The ability to smell pizza toppings from 5 kilometers away? Or the ability to predict the next big TikTok trend before it happens? Question 2. Snakes have an unusual sense. Can they hear your thoughts when you're near cheese, taste the air with their tongue, or detect if someone hasn't done their homework? And lastly, question 3. Can birds sense north using the Earth's magnetic field to help them navigate? See into alternate timelines where worms rule the world? Or have the ability to judge fashion choices from 1,000 meters in the sky? And humans can, of course, sense awkward silences. Like this one. So yes, we do have more than 5 senses, but we can't read minds yet or predict lottery numbers. One day maybe. So next time someone says we only have 5 senses, you can say, actually, here's at least 6. Now hand me that pizza. I sense it's delicious. I don't think that mask gives you bat senses like you think it does.
What's the use of ESP if I can't make the corn levitate?